If you want to get 4,000 watch hours and finally get monetized on YouTube, you've got to know it's 100% possible with the right strategy. And in this video, I'll show you simple real steps to hit monetization faster without waiting a whole year. First, let's understand what 4,000 hours actually means. Most beginners think 4,000 hours means they just need a ton of views, but that's not true at all. You can have thousands of views and still not get monetized if people don't actually watch your videos. So what 4,000 hours really means? Let me break it down simply. So here is what 4,000 hours actually means. It's about 240,000 minutes of total watch time. So if you make a 10-minute video and people only watch 1 minute of it, you will need around 240,000 views to hit that 4,000 hour mark. But if people watch about 5 minutes instead, now you only need around 48,000 views to reach that same goal. So the longer people stay, the fewer views you actually need. That's why retention matters way more than just getting clicks. Alright, now that you understand why retention matters more than views, but before we continue, real quick, what's been your biggest struggle growing your channel? I really would love to know. Please drop the comment and let's chat about it. Now let's talk about a few simple ways to actually improve both your views and your retention at the same time. So now, as I said before, the more you make people to stay, the less you will need to reach the 4,000 hours. If viewers leave early, YouTube stop recommending your videos. You need to make viewers not getting bored and watch as much as possible. So now, how do you make viewers stay as much as possible on our videos? I will give you a few easy things you can start doing right now. Number 1, grab attention in the first 15 seconds. Those first seconds are everything. That will make the viewer decide to stay or leave. The best way to do that is to tell them exactly what they will get out of the video. Make a promise, give them a reason to stay. Number 2, make your video feels alive. Don't make it just your talking head forever. Throw in some B-rolls when it helps to tell the story, quick cuts, and maybe some text pop-ups that keeps people's brain awake. Number 3 is tease what's coming. Make a small promise early in the video that makes people want to stay. A hint of something valuable that's coming later. It keeps them curious and make them stay around to see it. Step number 3, repurpose your content to get more views everywhere. Don't let your old videos die before you delete them. You can actually use it to grow your channel. Slice them into short clips. This builds curiosity and drives people back to your main YouTube channel. Pick 45 clips from older videos on your YouTube channel. Pick the best parts and paste them on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. This will attract people and make them curious to check out your full content, which help increase your views in the future. But on YouTube, I really don't recommend posting those shorts because that can bring in a totally different audience to your channel. We are here for long form content, and that's where the real connection happens. Alright, now that's just my opinion, and honestly that's what I'm doing right now. And maybe in the future I will make a video explaining exactly why I think you shouldn't. Now, secret number 4, use end screens. End screen is one of the best strategy you can actually use to increase watch time, and most new creators don't actually use them. When your video ends and you don't use the end screen, YouTube will show someone else's content and recommend it for your viewers. So all that effort you put into keeping people watching is gone. So let's talk about how you can do it. Add one related video into your end screen or a playlist that will lead viewers to them. And also leave a pinned comment linking your next video or playlist. This will make viewers stay longer in your channel. One thing you really have to do also, break your videos into parts. The reason for that is simple. It keeps viewers from getting bored or clicking away. Instead of leaving, they can just jump into the section they actually wanted to see. It helps them stay longer, enjoy your video more, and that signals YouTube to recommend your content to even more people. One thing can also help you more, which is asking questions, encourage comments. Now, every creator wants comments, but don't ask the wrong way. When you get real comments, it shows YouTube that your video has genuine engagement, and while someone's typing a comment, they will stay on your video, even those extra seconds count. So don't just say please comment on my videos or support me. Instead, ask natural questions that makes people actually want to reply. Something like, what's your current watch time percentage, or what topic do you want me to cover next? Something like that, simple natural question that start real conversation. Now you know the real way to reach your 4,000 watch hours burning out. Those are the exact steps that I'm using myself to grow my channel, and they will work when you stay consistent. And if you want videos that can help you grow your channel, watch my playlist in here. But if structuring your video is something really bothering you, I have put together a free script template that's gonna make the whole process a lot easier. Please grab it below. Please drop a like on this video, it helps a lot of people to find it. I really appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't done already, and I will see you soon. Take it easy. Bye bye.